Welcome back to Bordeaux Life, where today the work continues. Let's get in. We're going to start today off by drawing some lines down the wall where I'm wanting to cut the stone and take the stone out. It's going to be quite hard work, so I've got Cyril and Louis here to help me today. But let's get the lines drawn up first and start cutting maybe. This first stone is exactly 40 centimetres from the edge of this beam, which gives us a decent margin for supporting the beam. So I'm quite happy with that, especially with this other big beam next to it. So yeah, I'm going to cut down this 40 centimetre line here. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so I'm a little bit late starting this morning because I've been in touch with the architects of Bordeaux, like the kind of municipality of Bordeaux, and they've kind of thrown a little bit of a kind of hiccup into the proceedings. We'll come back to that in a bit though. Let's get this down. Passer ma ceinture, c'est là-bas, s'il te plaît. Do you think I should get Cyril to come up here as well?
Well, yeah, because that's going to be very hard.
Oui, parce que moi je peux pas. Ouais.
Allez, Van Gogh.
Van Gogh.
T'as compris pourquoi?
Ok, tu montes pour celle-là? Ça comme vous montez une fois pareil pour cette pierre-là. Avant de faire ça, c'est une pierre antique qui s'applique bien avec celle-là de bas. Ça y est.
C'est bon,
Tu l'as en bas. C'est bon là, si tu descends. What's the problem? Cyril, we know Cyril has muscles, but Louis, I was shocked. On va bouger ça parce que j'ai besoin de fermer la porte pour continuer. Je vais essayer de couper un peu plus bas, quand je retrace. Et comme ça, on descend de ce côté. In half an hour, I have an executive board meeting with Dunny for the roof, okay? Do you think you can carry on?
Of course I can.
Oh, good.
Seriously supervising you, and we have Louis, that is the second supervisor.
Ok, je te laisse à ce côté, Alexis. This is going really good with this saw. It really does the trick. You think it's stone it's cutting through, yeah?
Yes.
Celle-là, il est accroché à la porte, ou la porte est accrochée à pierre. Si tu regardes. Passer plus bas. Je te laisse enlever les deux là. Louis taken the relay for the time being. It's quite hard work on the arms. He's got really big biceps. Hey, Louis, t'as fait 50 000 trucs, t'as pas avancé, hein? Tu veux que je prenne encore Louis parce que là, je pense qu'on va pas avancer comme ça.
Comment je vais doucement, comment tu veux que j'aille? Après, si je suis pas à droite, ça va.
T'as vu la mienne, c'est pas droit non plus.
Ça sera toi, ça.
Il est costaud. Et je vais te donner une pierre assez dure. Hein. C'est différent.
Comme un marathon, si tu pars comme une balle, après t'as plus de force.
Il y avait, non, mais il y avait des ferrailles. Oui. Regarde le béton. Sûr? Oui, on s'en fout. Marche-le. Je croyais que c'était fait. Bon, lâche là. C'est bon. Je suis gaucher, hein. C'est pas chez vous. Je suis pas sûr que c'est le béton qui fait chier aussi.
Ed, are you taking over?
Yeah, Louis said he can't hack it. I'll have to carry on. En fait, d'un coup, je coupe le ciment et après, je coupe la pierre. Tu vois, ça descend tout seul.
J'allais dire, je crois que t'es dans un joint, ça.
Comme du beurre, viens faire ici. Tu vas voir, c'est un plaisir. Non, mais tu vas voir.
C'est carrément un plaisir.
Ailleurs, pas le même endroit là. On va le couper ailleurs.
Ça va?
come to take the glory off Louis. So he looks a bit tired, so I thought I'd finish off for him.
He's worked really hard.
No, this one's too hard. It's yours, Louis. Where's she gone? I knew she was getting a bum shot. Every time, Louis. Every time.
Yeah, where's the sun?
I'm not a piece of meat, Anna.
Aren't you?
No. Parlez plus bas. Je crois que c'était la joie. C'est bon. Non. Je pense pas non plus. Pareil avec ça.
S'il te plaît. Non.
Oui.
Oui, fais gaffe. Hein.
Sinon, Louis, on tape la béton. Oui. On éclate le béton. Je vais t'aider là. Deux secondes. I can hear people thinking there, why has he left that piece? People are going to trip over that piece of stone there. No, this is actually pretty much the new floor level after we've finished renovating. But I've left this piece because this is going to hold my, my metal beam. So we're going to have to cut into this probably back to about here and probably about 20 centimetres, somewhere around here. And the beam's going to go across here all the way to the wall across there. It'll all become a bit more apparent when we do more of the outside work. But yeah, that's why we've left this. We need it to hold that metal beam. When I talked to Bâtiments de France and the architects of the town of Bordeaux, they said that a kind of agreement for works had been agreed in 2022. It's about 14 months ago, but they stipulated some things that were really kind of important. Thankfully, I didn't order any of my windows and I hadn't ordered the tiles, but I was ready to do the tiling on the roof. I know it looks a bit of a mess, but we're almost ready to get Dunny in to come and do the tiling. I've got a meeting with them in a minute. Basically, the tiles on the roof that I wanted are not allowed, even though they are kind of old looking and very strong tiles. Some of the people in the area have got those tiles and that's their prerogative, you know, but I'm just going to follow what the architects of Bordeaux have told me, well, told this planning permission to do, which is a crochet, so tile a crochet, so they've got little hooks on the tiles underneath, and then tiles placed on top. Very much like what was here before, except the ones underneath didn't have the hooks on. So that's how we're going to do the roof. And the windows, thankfully, like I said, I didn't order them, and basically they want exactly the same as what's here now. So instead of them costing maybe 10,000 euros, I think we're going to go up in price quite a lot. I'm going to have to get somebody to come and have a look at these, see if we can keep the front of these shutters, or if you can make brand new shutters exactly the same. So we've got to have this kind of chassis that takes windows and shutters together at the front. And I'm putting another one in the middle, so that's going to be 3 of those. And then the other windows are just normal wooden windows with shutters. So I'm going to have some shutters to make too. But thankfully, I got in touch with the architects, and they helped me through the kind of the pitfalls that I could have fallen into. And now I know exactly which way I'm going. So Anna just asked me to come outside and just show which roofs have the tiles that I'm not allowed, or the style of tiles I'm not allowed. And to be fair, she could pick any roof because there's not one tile as it should be, but that, like I say, that doesn't matter. I'm not bothered about that. I'm just going to put the ones that should be there. I don't want to have a battle with architects of Bordeaux. So, but I mean, Anna, you can take a bit of film of any of the roofs, you know, they're all the same.
Yeah, fair enough, fair enough.
So I found some tiles like what we're going to have to do. If you look on my left shoulder, there is to the left a roof that's not been renovated, and to the right a roof that has been renovated. Both those roofs are the style of roof that we're actually going to do, both on the left hand side.
Your left and my right.
So yeah, you can see that there's one slightly darker and one slightly brighter, but you can still see that they're individual tiles on top. And then if you look back, most of the other roofs down there are just kind of mechanic tiles, so they're kind of one piece and they clip on.
Well, I'm learning so much about roof tiles, Ed. It's
very interesting, huh?
I love it. I mean,
the reason people don't want to put the tiles that I'm going to put is because when you walk on those tiles, they break so easily. Dunny's just been, my roofer, and he told me before that the kind of voltige, you know, this kind of like wood is fine, but then now he's gone up there, he's seen it's really thin, so he says you need to take all that off, put some new on. It's not the actual state of it, it's the fact that it's just too thin. Again, he didn't look too much at this beam here when he was last here. So Denny's saying now that we have to double up this beam as we did the other beam. Now that we know how to do it, and now that we know we've done it right, it should go quite quick. So we've got that to do. We've got all of the wood to take off, apart from the spars. And then we've got other preparation work to do for Denny, including rebuilding the wall at the back there that was a bit of a mess. So Dunny, my roofer, wants to get this wall here back up again because we need to pop another beam in here to support some of the spars further down because it goes wider than 1.60 m, which is not allowed. So we've got that to do. Yeah, so he's given us quite a bit of work. But what he's done is given us a temporary solution to the electricity board. Actually, it's open to the elements and it's going to rain soon. So he's given us some old kind of roofing that we can just pop on top of where the electricity board is so that water can't get into it, because he said that can just explode even though there's no electricity board. But yeah, there we go. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. We've got so much more work to go on here. And yeah, we'll see you all next time. Cheers.